Cicadas are here, folks. What you're looking at right now are the holes where they emerged from. All over the ground outside here. And then they climbed up the tree and shed their nymph exoskeletons. There's one. There's some more. Go up the tree. There's some more exoskeletons. There's another one. And another one. And another one. There's another one right there. All over. There's a couple more exoskeletons. Oh, you can hear them. You hear that? That's their sound. That's their song. There's some more exoskeletons. Some more right there. They are all over. Invasion of the cicadas. Fortunately, I don't hear them in this tree right now. Otherwise, I wouldn't be under it filming. Oh, there's another one. There's another one, that leaf right there. They are all over. And here I thought I killed most of them by planting this garden right here. There's more on there, more. Oh my goodness. How gross. Bird food. I think birds like to eat cicadas. And their mating song, which you hear in the background, attracts the birds to them. But there are still so many that there's no way the birds could kill them all. Right now they sing, they mate, and they crawl back into the ground for another 13 years. Can you hear them? Yeah. That's the cicada mating song. And they're all emerging at the same time. And they'll probably be around for another week or two. And then they'll be done. They'll crawl on the ground, and goodbye cicadas for the 13 years.